Hello, my name is Nikkhah. I am going to present my project for the course Visualization Design, Analysis and Evaluation at the School of Informatics and Computing at IUPUI. What you can see here is an interactive visualization of Dr. John Snow's map of London's 1854 cholera epidemic. He was the first person who found a relationship between contaminated water and cholera. In addition to the map itself here, I added an additional timeout to the side of the map, which I will show you how it will interact with the map in a few minutes. As you can see in the map, the streets are displayed by black lines, pumps are represented through small blue circles, and the brewery by big dark blue circle. The workhouse is represented by green rectangle in the middle. Female and male desks are distinguished by the square for female and cross for male. And to show the age group, color palette has been used. The timeline at the left shows the number of deaths per day. So, for example, on September 1st, 143 people were dead. And if I change the position of this window on a slider, you can see that this distribution on the map. Also, I can change the size of the window on the slider, for example, to 8 days. And I can take a look how the distribution of deaths will change. So, for example, at early days, it was less, but then when I come between August 31st to September 7th, there's the highest population who were dead. And when I go towards the September 29th, this population will become lower and lower. Now let's say I want to understand that on September 22nd, how many people were dead and what was their gender and the age group. So as you can see, one person was dead, and it was a female, and she was between 21st and 40 years of age. Now I'm going to show you the charts. These two charts show number of deaths by age and by gender. And from looking at the results, there is a clear relationship between the deaths and age groups. Sounds like the old people, as you can see here, and the smaller children are more prone to be dead by the disease, which makes sense. And however, for the older people, it might be other reasons too, but from the data, it makes sense that these two age groups are more prone to this disease. In addition to that, there's no clear relationship between gender and number of deaths. You can find the data set for this project at this address. You can find the project description here too, and you can look at my documentation at this location. Thank you for listening to me.